Welcome everybody. We're going to do an in-depth look at our ROQ Your Auto 3-day workshop featuring the ROQ-E, all brand new press, self-contained 8-color 10 station featuring 2 smart flashes as well as their pre-registration unit to speed up. We'll be registering screens both with pre-registration using the Exile CTS system as well as registering by hand. So you'll get to experience a wide variety. We're going to be talking about controlling variables to give us more consistent on press. As most experienced high-end printers know, about 75% of your on-press results are going to be decided by the decisions that are made in pre-press. Some of the tools that we're going to use during the class, and we're going to be showing you, and these are some of the same tools that we use in the on-site tune-ups that we do, is UV glasses that look for ambient light. When you actually look through these, and whenever you see blue light, blue is bad. It should be yellow. So when you're in a safe light environment and anything, ambient light is a problem. We'll actually measure the humidity of the screens, the stencils after they have dried to look for consistency. This device we can use to measure our EOM, our emulsion over mesh, our stencil thickness. A lot of you are familiar with this. The tension meter, measuring screen tension. These are all key factors. Next, we have got a donut probe. We're going to go over using a donut probe to map a dryer, as well as to check for cure. And we can also even use this to calibrate our flash, especially if you don't have a smart flash, which is reading palette temperature. But if you do, you can calibrate, see how close that digital flash is. But we can actually calibrate our flash time because over flashing is a problem. And then lastly, we have got a durometer. This right here actually measures squeegee durometer. Old squeegees, not sharp edges, all of those are problems for on press. So these are some of the tools that we'll be using in the class, as well as some things you'll get to play with. One is just the Speedy T-shirt folder. It's very nice as far as picking up, speeding up your post-press. Speaking of post-press, we have got, thanks to Korchem, we have the In Pro automatic screen reclaiming unit. We'll also be reclaiming screens, of course, once by hand, just to go through the procedures, because poor post-press equals poor pre-press. But the In Pro automates the process, makes it very simple. We will come into our new advanced coating room here, and we've got the Exile Spyder 2, thanks to Exile Technologies. On here, this is the CTS system. We'll actually print our image directly to in perfect register, so we will be able to use this system. We have got the V-lux glassless, as well as we have got, thanks to SAATI sponsoring, we've got the Pro Coat, a fully automatic screen coater, so we'll be coating screens in here, so that we can compare those by using the devices that we just looked at. We can compare them to more standardized coating methods. We've got a semi-automatic screen coater, a wall mount, and as well as we have the optional just table for those who would like to try coating a screen by hand to just see how close it is or how far away it is from being consistent. On here, as well as we've got a high output LED thanks to Vastex. On here that we'll be using film positives with a pre-registration system, as well as just using film positives and manually registering them on press to see the time savings that we get by using pre-registration with film positive, a CTS system, etc. All just giving you a wide depth of exploration of the different technology and the different savings that it can bring. Thanks to Vastex, we'll also have a dry vault. We'll just speed up the drying process to about 30 minutes. And then we have the Vastex Big Red 4D dryer for our curing of our different garments. On press, we're going to cover all of the major types of printing, from vector printing, looking at getting smooth edges, sharp edge definition, and smooth surface to the top, on a print flash print, as well as wet on wet printing, simulated process, 4-color process. This is an example of a 3-color halftone. This right here is 75 LPI through 280 mesh. The white was printed, Dreamy White printed through 280 flashed, then the gray was printed, and then the highlight white. 75 LPI, 280 mesh, 75%, 80% of the industry cannot do 75 LPI successfully. To give you an idea, once you conquer this, it will put you in that top tier if that is where you're looking to compete, especially in the fashion industry. We'll also do 4-color process, and then on day 3, we'll be doing specialty inks. And then we're also looking to add discharge to this. So if you're interested in the course, check it out at colormatrix.com. If you enjoyed the video, as always, give us a like or a share, and thanks for watching.